Good morning, students. Today's the chapter cell in biology, class 9th, and topic is nucleus. Nucleus discovered by Robert Brown. It is largest cell structure. Nucleus is spherical or oval shape and is a prominent structure. It is usually located in the center of the cell. It has following important part. Here the diagram of nucleus, nucleolus, chromatin thread, nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm or karyoplasm, nuclear pore, and it is the structure of nucleus. Nuclear membrane. It is double layered membrane which separated nucleus from cytoplasm. Nucleoplasm or karyoplasm. It is homogeneous dense fluid present inside the nucleus, which chromatin and nucleolus are suspended. Chromatin material. It consists of large coiled network of thread-like structures. The chromatin material is made up of dehydroxyribose nucleic acid DNA, which is responsible for storing and transmitting the hereditary information from one generation to another generation. It condenses into compact rod-like bodies called chromosome at the time of cell division. Nucleolus. It is more or less round structure found inside the nucleus. The nucleolus contains RNA and protein. RNA is helpful in protein synthesis in the cytoplasm. Do you know why cell division necessary? Cell division is necessary for the formation of new cell, which helps in performing the following biological activities. First, growth of the body. Both plant and animals life begin with a single cell known as a gamete and they form a zygote. Zygote undergoes cell division in the form of large number of cells of different shape and size to form tissues and organs to perform different functions in the organism, replacing the dead worn out cell. About 3 billion cells in our body are destroyed every minute. The same number of cells are replaced by new cells, which are produced by cell division in the same period to replace the dead or worn out for survival. Replacement. Replacement. A part of wounds or wear and tear of the tissues in our body, there can be accidental injuries or fracture of bones. The cells which undergoes cell division helps to cover up the gaps and join the broken end with helps in replacing of such injuries. For formation, gamete and for reproduction. Cell division take place during the formation of a gametes. It take place inside the reproductive organ of male and female in animals to produce sperms and ova. Whereas the flowering plants, it take place in anther to produce pollen grains and ovules to produce eggs. Thank you, student.